Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how I'm making banana puff puff. Yes, banana puff puff. We all love banana puff puff or puff puff itself. Children love it even if they don't like eating. When they see puff puff, they like having some. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make mine banana puff puff. So let's begin. These are the ingredients I'm using: 500 grams of flour, and I will use sugar, 84 grams of sugar. And this is the banana I'm using. It's good to use a very soft banana. I'm using some yeast. Yes, using yeast, and I'm using egg. And this is the milk I'm using. So I'll stir the milk, the egg, and keep it aside. Put my banana and the milk and blend it. Then I'm using a teaspoon of yeast. Yes, you can use more than that. It's totally up to you. I didn't want too much yeast because I want to leave it for a very long time to rise, so I didn't use much yeast. This is the sugar I've put with the flour. I'll mix it together now. I'll put the sugar in here. I will mix it, the flour and the sugar. Then I will stir it a bit, and after stirring it for a while, I will add my milk and banana that I blended, and I'll stir it for a while as well. And stir it for a while. I'll add my egg next. Yeah, that is the egg I breaked. Then I'll stir it as well. Stir it to mix a bit. To mix a little bit. And then I'll add the yeast. Yeah, that's my yeast now. Add the yeast on. You can use more than that, but it wasn't a lot, so I don't want to use too many yeast. You can actually use your recipe to test as you like it. You can even use more milk or condensed milk to mix it. So I'll use my hand mixer to mix it for a short time. Yeah, I'll mix it for a short time and mix it before I will leave it. Mix it. Yeah, it was a bit watery, so I added a bit of dry flour. Yeah, to just help it to the consistency I wanted. So after mixing it, I'm going to keep it for up to 2 to 3 hours for it to puff. Yeah, before I fry it. I'm sorry, I don't know. I think my editing has removed where I showed that when it was well puffed. Then after that, now you heat your oil. Don't leave it too hot. Then don't leave your oil too hot. If not, it's going to start burning immediately. So just heat your oil and use low heat after the oil is being heated. Yes. Then you start frying your puff puff. See that? Start frying your puff puff. When it's well puffed, that's what happens. When it goes into the pot, it turns itself by itself because it's light, and it doesn't take long before it goes brown. You just start frying, and that is how it's been made. This was really delicious. Everybody loves it, including myself, my children. They loved it. Now they want me to be making banana puff puff every day. Yes. Some people like it more sweet, but don't forget, when you put banana to it, you don't need too much sugar. It totally personal how you like your things to be sweet. But I tell you, this was very moderate recipe. There was not too much sugar. It wasn't too sweet, or not sweet at all. So that is how I did it. And I just keep doing that, keep cutting and putting. When it's brown, I will remove it, do another one, and continue like that. Okay, see how beautiful it looks already. It looks beautiful. Yeah, it looks really beautiful and round. Beautiful and round. Yeah. I like it to be a bit brownish. I don't like it too light. Yeah. So that is how it is. Just keep doing. Yeah. It wouldn't take long anymore. Yeah. Keep frying it. Yeah, just remove that one now. I'm gonna put more. Yeah. And if it's your first time trying, or you haven't tried this recipe before, I recommend that you try it. It's like a finger food you can have in the fridge. You can have it for up to 2 days or 3 days, I think, in your fridge. Just warm it when you want to use it. It was really nice. And when I get used to making puff puff, I couldn't stop making puff puff for my kids, and for take it to events like church. We are having a get together. It's a very nice finger food that everybody likes, even if you don't normally like eating in public. When you see puff puff, you definitely want to try it and see how it is. So, and it goes on like that. Keep frying the puff. You can see when it's brown on one side, it will turn the other side. It's amazing how this is done. It's amazing. And trust me, it doesn't take long. Within 5 minutes, it's not even up to 5 minutes, you finish mixing your ingredients together, and you leave it and you go about your day and watch. Maybe in 1 or 2 hours it's gonna start rising, and you just go and fry it. Doesn't take long at all. Then the cutting, you just practice. If you don't get it right the first time, the second time you're definitely gonna get it right. But nothing is so special about it. It's just knowing how to hold your hand when you are cutting it, so that it comes out round. Okay, so that is how it is. And yeah, it came out really excellent. It's my first time, and it came out really excellent. Yeah, I know how to make normal puff puff without banana, and this one I said, okay, let me try this banana one. It was yum. It was fantastic. It was beautiful to watch it coming together. Yeah, beautiful to see yourself doing what you love doing. Yes. So I think we are almost. I'm gonna fry the last one. Just watch with me to the end so you can see the finished picture. I don't know if you like the picture like I do. I like finished picture. I always want to see a finished picture of everything. You know, we don't like long process. We like finished picture. Beautiful picture that we've been waiting for. So I need to move it. Should be the last time of frying. We are almost there. Last frying.